Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can open Steam games in windowed mode. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Steam app on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page where all of the available games will be displayed. Now, click on the library embed at the top left corner and all of your saved games will appear. Here, select the target game and then right-click on it. Inside this drop-down menu, select Properties and then in the General section, there will be a launching bar. Simply type in -windowed and close this menu. Now, this trick works for most of the games, but it may not work for some apps. In order to convert them to windowed, go to the game settings, then navigate to the display section and change the display mode to windowed. So that's basically how you can open Steam games in windowed mode. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.